S9006, the flooring that looks good and lasts long. If you are looking for a durable, waterproof, and stylish flooring option for your home or office, look no further than S9006. This luxury vinyl flooring features a realistic wood-look surface that adds warmth and elegance to any room. The SPC core is made of stone plastic composite, which is resistant to moisture, mold, and mildew. The interlocking design makes installation quick and easy, with no glue or nails required. S9006 is also scratch-resistant and easy to clean, making it ideal for high-traffic areas. Whether you want to create a cozy living room, a modern kitchen, or a professional office space, S9006 will give you the look and performance you need.